You are learning Power BI, then this is the series for you. Start from video 1 to learn all the basic concepts of Power BI. This particular series had more than 150 plus videos to teach you each and every concepts around DEX, around Power Query, so that you can enhance your skills in Power BI. Subscribe to the channel. Hello and welcome to another video of beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function List.NonNullCount. So let's go to Power BI, and in Power BI under the home tab we have transform data, and in that we will click transform data and we will reach Power Query. Now once we reach Power Query, using the new source under the home tab blank query, we are going to create one list first of all. So right click, once you created a query, right click advanced editor, and in the angular bracket you can give a list. So I can give a list like 1, 2, and I need to give some null here, and null I can simply write down null, let's say 2 again, then null again, then 3 again, null again, and 4 again. Okay, so let me do this. So I say source and I'll say this list. So I got a list. You can see there are 9 elements in this list. Now what I want to do here is let's first count it. Okay, so you can go to advanced editor, and either on this step or on the next step we can say enter, and then if I want to do next step, then we need to give a comma here, and then next step we need to give here underscore, let's say count, CNT I'm using, and I say list dot count. First of all I'm going to use list dot count. Okay, and then we will use not null count. Okay, and then we'll give source here because source is the previous step list name. So we got the source, and now we need to return count. Now it's going to return a number. Now remember, it's not returning a list, so you will see only a number here, small one, 9. Okay, so you see a 9 number here. Now we can go and now change it itself here. Now list dot count, instead of we say list not null count. So we want to count the not null values. So now not null values are 5. Let's look at how many values were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the not null values. Okay, so this is how not null works. But can I count these not null values using count also? Is there a possibility? So we know a function list.select. So let's open this one, let's say advanced editor, and here now let me do one thing. Let me say comma. Okay, so let's add one more step, and what I'm going to do, I'll leave this step here like this, and I'll press enter, and then I'll say CNT1, and I'll return also CNT1. Now this is right now not complete, but what I'm going to do here is I will say list dot select, and then I'm going to use source, and in source I'll say each underscore not equal to null. So this is what I want, each not equal to null, and let's say does it returns a list which is not equal to null. So it does returns a list which is not equal to null, and you can see there are 5 elements also. Now next step which I need to do is I can do it from here itself. I go here and I put one more function on top of it, which is list dot count, and then I can get the number as 5. Now what I can do here is, now if there are tables, like let's say there is a table which is and that table contain many column, and one of the column contain null values as well as this one, and I want to create another table out of it, or let's say I want to create a dimension. So there it could be really helpful to have this removal of null, or we wanted to know how many distinct counts are there even before creating that. Okay, or let's say even just I need an additional column just to showcase what are the not null values in that particular table. So let's say I go to this table and I just want to have one more additional column which tells me how many not null values I have in the A1. Okay, so I can go here and I can say add custom column, and in that custom column I can count the not null values. So I can say list dot not null count. Now I need to be a little bit careful here, because what happens here is when you do such step, you need table name and column name. And what is the table name? Table name is this added column custom one. Okay, so I need to give that name actually. So I need to write down hash, then I need to write down added custom one, because I need a table name, remember. And then I need to write down hash a1. Now it is suggesting because it's able to get it. Okay, so list is not a column. If I give simply a column, it will get that particular cell's value in that row. Okay, but if I give table and the column, then I get a list. So be aware of that fact. Now edit custom one, it is one where it is giving error. So I'll tell you the best way is to go to the advanced editor and copy this name and write it down here. Seems correct to me, but anyways, see, there was no space actually. So now we got it 4444. So this is how you do these kind of functions in Power Query. So try out this function and do let me know what else you want me to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Keep watching, keep asking questions in comments, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new videos. Thank you.